Hi guys, let us solve the last problem of this exercise, and in this problem they said that 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? We don't know. So let us assume their present ages as x and y. So 5 years later, what happens? Jacob age will be x plus y and his son's age will be y plus 5. Okay, and as per given condition here, what they said, 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y plus 5. What is this y plus 5? Age of Jacob's son. So when you simplify, you will get one equation, and let us assume this as equation 1. Now 5 years ago situation, what happens? Before 5 years, x minus y is the age of Jacob and y minus 5 is the age of his son. So now as per given condition, this x minus 5 is equal to 7 times of his son, 5 y minus 5, and when you simplify you will get one more equation, that is equation 2. Now these two equations are going to help to solve and find value of x and y. So let us solve now using substitution method. From equation 1 you can get, after transposing 3y and 10 towards right side, you will get x is equals to 3y plus 10. Now this x we need to substitute in equation 2, so you will get y is equals to 10. We got y value. Now using this y value, what we have to do, you have to substitute in equation 2. So this is the equation 2, and after substituting 10 here, you will get x is equals to 40. So finally you got x and y. Therefore the present age of Jacob, that is x, and value is 40 years, and his son's age is y, that is 10 years. Hope you got good clarity on this problem. If yes, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.